In the year 2000, I met the smartest person I've ever met in my entire life, Bearden. She had just won the Disney Teacher of the Year award, and I said, "Oh my gosh, you're so cool, you're so creative, you're so smart." I never quite met anybody just quite like her. I said, "We should start a school together someday." And she didn't even know me, but she said, "Okay, let's do it."
Those of us who teach do not do it to ever receive rewards. I know there's no way that I could be the most outstanding humanities teacher across this country, because in my school alone, I go to work every day with the most amazing people who pour their heart and their soul and life into everything they do because they love children.
She's one of 5 teachers in the nation chosen for the 2016 National Teachers Hall of Fame.
We know that she deserves it because we see it every day.
President Barack Obama recognized the Hall of Fame inductees and National Teachers of the Year at the White House.
I walked/danced into one of the most amazing places, the school that changed my entire perception of what is possible in our education system.
Kids are moving, there's art, there's song, there's dance, all those things used to teach what we're trying to get across with the curriculum.
Her latest book, Talk to Me, gets to the heart of effective communication through 6 principles. Bearden shares lessons learned from her failures and successes.
If you follow these principles, I think that even in your meaningful relationships, they'll be enhanced, but also in those difficult ones, they'll improve.
I feel like I'm learning a lot in her class. We told campfire stories. She turned her room into a sentence construction site.
Picture a piece of art. Miss Bearden is like that extra sparkle or that extra pop that you add to it to make it look even better than what it already is.
She was like a mother to me. I can't thank her enough, because when everybody was being strict, she'd be the one to come and grab me and touch me on the back. It's gonna be okay.
And I always observed Miss Bearden working.
It was even easier to just completely form a bond that I don't think I had ever expected to form with anyone other than family members with Miss Bearden.